another beautiful day in Pokemon. Yeah. Okay, let's go try to find some Pokemon. And there seems no Pokemon around here. No Pokemon around here. Let's go check over there. Okay. Oh my god! You see this? That is it's okay, I got this. It's just a Snorbear. I can do this. Okay, Snorbear, you're mine. Pokeball. Go. Got him. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a second. What is it doing? Dun 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 dun. Oh no, it escaped. Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna have to go get a Master Ball or something like this before I can get you. Yeah, let's go to the Pokestop and buy a Master Ball. 1 Master Ball, please. 54 Poké-Dollars, please. Gosh dang, that's expensive. Think you could do that? Fine. Your freaking Poké-Dollar. Here's your Poké-Dollar, bro. Thanks. This is real, right? Yeah, it is real. It is real. Okay, let me just get down to my little shop thing here. Got this cash register thing, and here you go. Thanks. See you later. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for buying stuff at the Pokestop. Bye. Okay, time to get you, Snorbear. Okay, let's see what is that thing. Huh. Okay, time to get you. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let me just throw this Pokeball. Go! Ding! Yeah! I got him! Wait, if I can catch him so easily, wouldn't that mean the Master Ball is just really easy to catch Pokemon?